Hey, hello everyone. So today we are going to see how to create the surface remastering part. So basically, if you are facing any design engineer interview, or if you want, means if you are facing the CATIA interview also, so sometimes to check your surfacing skills, company give you one dump model, means without history part, okay, and they are asking you to create a parametric model, means with history, with surfacing commands or with part design command. So today we are going to see how to create the solid part, recreate, means we are going to re create this body. Okay, same part. Here we don't have a history in the part, so we are going to create the part with the history. Okay, that is using all the surfacing commands. Okay, so this is also the general CAD test if you are facing any design engineer interview. So definitely you can get this type of CAD test. So we'll solve this part. So currently now I have this body, you can see, and if you see here, I don't have any history, okay, of the part. So I need to recreate this body again, same body, but using the surfacing command. So here we are going to use the surfacing command. So I am into the generative shape design workbench of the CATIA. So first here we require the input. So input will take one side of the part, so either this side or this side, in a surface. Okay, so for that we'll create here, I'll go and we'll insert here a input geometrical set. Okay, and we'll extract one side. So I'll go to the multi extraction command. Here you can see into the operations toolbar, multi extraction command, and we'll select the tangent continuity mode. Okay, so we'll select the top side, so you can see only single side it is extracted of the part, so we'll click OK. Okay, and now we are going to recreate this surface. So we'll hide the original body. This surface we are going to recreate. So to break the link with this of this surface with the body, you can right click and make it isolate. Okay, so now if you check the parent and children, here we doesn't have any parent or children. Okay, that is again the one rule, that we are not keeping any links with the this input body. Okay, so first now we have this surface, right? So we are going to recreate this surface first. Okay, so we'll give the color here. So to recreate this surface here, first we are going to target the flat surfaces. Okay, so flat surfaces means this is one flat surface, or this is one flat surface, or this is one flat surface, right? So these surfaces will create, and then we'll create these features, these holes. Okay, so that is the process we are going to follow. So for that, I'll insert here first one new geometrical set. We'll name it as a work section. Okay, so this base surface I want to recreate. So for that I need some input points. So I'll create one point here first. Okay, and we'll take a point at the circle because we already have the circle here, and then we are going to isolate this point also to break the link, and we'll make it independent using the coordinate system. Okay, so now this point is independent, and here again I'll insert one axis system, and we'll select this as the origin point of the axis system. Okay, and then if I want to decide my axis system according to my part, so I can select for example, x direction I want this edge, and y direction I want this edge. Okay, so according to my part direction, I'm getting here x axis and y axis. Okay, so I'll click OK. And if you want to remove the link again, what you can do, you can right click and select the no selection here. Okay, and here also if you select the no selection, still this is the axis system according to your part, this part lines. Okay, but there is a no link. Okay, so like this you can rotate. And now first we'll create into work section define, we'll create this surface. So for that I need a line, so I'll select the position sketch. Okay, and we'll select this plane, then we can select the projection point as this, and we'll set this axis system like this. Click onto the swap and click OK. Okay, so now we have this state line, so we can create this line state like this. Okay, and now what we'll do, we'll give the dimensions. So this to this dimension I'll give, so this is I'll give 10 mm. Okay, and this total length I'm keeping 35 mm. Okay, and then we'll exit here. Now I have flat straight line, so I can create a surface, right? So we can use the extrude command from the surfaces. Then select this profile, and then direction I am going to select this y direction. Okay, mirror. Okay, so we are getting this surface match, right? This base surface is matching with this surface. Now this vertical surface we need to create. So for that vertical surface, same I can use, means I'll use the extrude command, then this surface, and I'll select the Z direction. Here I'll take extra surface. Okay, click OK, and now I'm going to measure this surface and this surface. The distance is 13.4. Here also this surface to this surface, distance in 13.4 same. So now we can use the offset command here. So we'll select the offset command, select this surface and 13.4, and we'll click onto the both the sides because both the sides same dimension. Click OK and hide this. Okay, so now we can get an outline of this part, right? So I can select the trim command here directly, and I'll select this and this getting trimmed. Okay, so now we have a outline of this part. Okay, then hide this trim one. Then next is this feature we have to create. Okay, so for that feature what we'll do here, first I'll measure the length, means from this plane to this line. This is the dimension of 8.61. Okay, copy this. Now what we'll do, we'll create one plane there. Okay, so for plane creation I'll select the plane, offset from plane here, this, and paste. Okay, which we copied the offset distance. Click OK. Okay, now next thing is here. Now if you see this plane is coming exactly at this center, right? So I can create their sketch. Okay, so for sketch creation I'll go to the work again. Okay, and then we'll go to the position sketch, select this offset plane. Okay, then projection point will be this point. I'll select again, set up this V and H, click OK. Okay, now this line I want, so I can go and select the projection command. Okay, then we are going to isolate this. Okay, and then we'll increase this, the length, extend this. Okay, and then next thing is here, what we are going to do, we'll select here. First I'll measure the angle. So for this to this angle is 33.6. This angle is 33.6, and then we'll give the dimension here, this line to this, and this line to this. Okay, here these dimensions we added. This total length of the line also we can add, approximately 15 mm. Okay, and now here if I measure the radius of this, so this radius is coming 3.6 mm. Okay, so radius is 3.6. So if I offset here, means if I use the offset command, select this line, and offset distance will keep 3.6. Okay, that is the radius, right? That is the radius of this 3.6. Okay, and if I normal this, now this line will make into the construction, and this is my center line I am getting. Okay, exit. So we are trying to create here one pipe shape. Okay, small pipe type of shape, because this is a pipe type of shape. Okay, and then next what we'll do, we'll use here sweep command. Okay, sweep into the circle type, and then we'll select here center and radius option. So center is this and radius is 3.6. Okay, so you can see here this is matching here. Okay, same we want this side, so we can use the symmetry option directly. Instead of this, directly we can symmetry both. Okay, and then original surface will hide, will on our trim one. Okay, and now we'll trim this to create our final shape. Trim this and this. Okay, so this is our shape we are getting, single final split trim. Okay, then next is a radius. So how much the radius will check. So radius value, this is 2.4 and this is 1.6. Okay, 2.4 and 1.6, two radiuses we have. So hide this, then select this here also, this. Okay, this is our 2.4. Okay, and other two radiuses, this radius and this radius. Okay, that is 1.6. Okay, so this is formed now. Now you can see it's exactly matching. Okay, so our almost everything is matching. Okay, now final cutting. Here we require to cut this shape, right? This shape we want to cut. So for that will do into the sketching. So I'll select the sketch, select this plane, projection point will be this. Okay, okay, and now here what we'll do, we'll create a sketch there. Okay, we are going to create a sketch there because final shape is required, right? So here we have one circle radius, then here also we have one radius circle. These two first will match, this and this coincidence. Delete this and now give the dimensions from our axis system here. Okay, now here also same thing we can do, this right click coincidence. Okay, now delete this, again give the dimension from this axis system. Okay, and then next here also you can create directly one line also here like this. Okay, this is a shape, then one more. Okay, and then this side also we want one line and this side also. Okay, these are the required elements. Now we'll give the sketch this, sorry, dimensions. So this and this, right click uh, here we'll choose the tangency, then this edge, right click parallelism. Okay, and then delete this parallelism. Okay, so we can delete this from here, or you can go to the constraint and you can delete the parallelism. Okay, then next is this and this, right click coincidence, then delete this coincidence here also. Now this and this, sorry, coincidence, then delete the coincidence. We are deleting this constraint because we don't want to keep the link with the surface, that's why. Okay, we are keeping the links with our axis systems. Then this right click coincidence, delete this. Okay, and now extend this then extend trim this, then trim and extend this, then trim and extend this, then trim and extend this, and trim and extend this. Okay, now here dimensions are pending, this dimension. Okay, so now fully constant. Now one thing we have to do, that this face we can open either this and this. First I'll give the dimension. So this face either we can open, because otherwise it will overlap when I am creating the surface. Okay, we'll turn this into the construction, exit. Okay, so this is the shape we are going to create. One more thing, here fillets are bending, so fillets also we can apply into this directly into the sketch also. Fine. So this is our 2 mm radius, and this is our 10 mm radius. Okay, so we can select here this to this, change this again, reselect this is how much, double click the sketch, this is 2 mm. Okay, and again this to this, yes, this is 10. Okay, so now everything is matching, exit now. Okay, and now what we'll do, we'll create one extrude surface here, extrude surface in the direction of Z. Okay, and now here we'll split this, split this surface from this. Okay, other side, and now click OK. Okay, so now we are getting our shape what we want. Now these small circles here, this also we can split it easily. Okay, so here also what we'll do, we'll create one sketch, click OK, select this, create one circle, here also create one circle. Okay, then same thing, either we can coincidence this edge and this edge, then this and this also, and then delete the coincidence. Okay, and then we can give the dimensions, this diameter how much. Okay, and then here also, okay, both are fully constant. Now I can exit. Okay, and now here I'm going to create the extrude again, click OK, keep all, and now we'll split this to create that holes, to split the split surface from this cylinders. So inside portion is getting removed, then hide this, hide this. Okay, so this is our final shape it's created. Okay, so final shape means this is a parametric, means all the commands are editable, whatever scale commands we used into the work section, all commands are editable. Okay, so this was our input. If you check the parent and children, doesn't have, and if I am deleting this at the end, it is not affecting on my sketch. Okay, so now this body also doesn't have any link with the part, so this is also individual body, and our surface is also individual body. Now we are going to create a thickness. So how much the thickness required for this part? So for thickness, we'll measure the thickness from this surface to this surface, 1.6 mm. Okay, so 1.6 mm, hide this. Now insert a new body here. Okay, we'll rename this body as a solid body. Okay, and now we'll shift the part design here, and in the surface based features we'll use the thickness command. Select this outward direction 1.6, and now hide the surfacing work. So this is your exactly part same, both are 100% matching, and this is our parametric model, means editable model, right? Anything you want to edit, let's suppose you want to change the dimension of this hole, you can just go to the sketch, double click here, and instead of 7 I want 10 mm, I'll edit the 10 mm and exit. See, it is automatically updating, right? So this is what we are calling as a parametric model. This is what we are calling as a parametric model. Okay. So this type of CAD test definitely you can face into the CAD means product design interview, or software design interview, or surfacing design interview. Okay, so this is very important. This is the very basic part, but there are some advanced techniques also. Okay, so definitely if you want to learn these advanced techniques, you can comment down below as a advanced techniques. So I'll create the new video onto one advanced part later using the surfacing remaster. Okay, so meanwhile you can like, share and subscribe our channel. So per week there are 2 to 3 videos newly we are uploading related to the CAD test technical interview of the mechanical engineering. So you can get the notifications, so you can press the notification bell also. Okay, thank you.